Welcome on board the Learning Vessel. I am Xingyi, and on behalf of my crew here at Learning Vessels, thank you for watching this video. The series will serve as a guide to empower you to build your child's early reading ability one step at a time. Reading is an amazing skill to be equipped with on the voyage of life. It enables many adventures your child can embark on, like storytelling, independent learning, and more. This is why we believe it is truly valuable to start your child off with a strong reading foundation. This series on early reading is meant for children aged 3 to 6 years old and can supplement what he or she is learning in school. We will be guiding you on how to teach your child the alphabet, letter sounds or phonics, sight words, and how to practice shared reading. At Learning Vessels, we also believe that every child can learn. No matter how old your child is, you can adapt the activities we will be sharing to suit your child's own pace of learning. We will be offering tips on how to do so as we go along. To aid in your teaching, we have also prepared our early reading kits. These include books and teaching tools, as well as DIY materials to help you get started immediately. Do check out the link in the description below. You can also choose to gift a kit to a low-income family in Singapore to empower another parent. Click on the info card on the top right corner of your screen for a walkthrough of our early reading kit. And don't worry if you want to follow along without the kit. We will also be sharing ways you can do it yourself. We will be right by your side throughout this journey. So if you have any questions, leave a comment below or get in touch with us on our social media. Our team on board the Learning Vessel will do our best to help. Anchors away! We're ready to set sail!